Host Web, I think is the right one. It might be the other EBSCOhost. Yeah, it's this one. All right, here, you will notice you can read all kinds of different research or web places to look, like Academic Search Complete, Health Watch, anything that would relate to your topic. That's what you need to check. And you'll check, like if you're doing something about computers, you want to check this one right here. If it's education, you want to check ERIC. Read the information about each one of these topics and then check them if that's what you need. Like maybe you're doing something about nursing, or some kind of social issue that deals with hospitals. You have tons of different databases. So this database is like 500 databases in one, okay? So you would click whatever it is that would help you, like newspaper source, highly recommend that one. I also highly recommend doing, let me get down a little further. The state, Texas, the only one has a Texas Reference Center, so that one. But topic search is what I highly encourage. So anyway, you click any of the ones that you think is going to help you in your research. And then, once you've done that, you've clicked all of them that you want to, you're going to hit continue. And it's going to open up to what you want to research. Now, on this page, you can totally play with this as any way you want to. Modify your research. If you want peer-reviewed articles, if you want current articles, you can, to say what time of the year, within the last 10 years. You can do number of pages. You can choose over here what kind of publications you want. I usually just connect all on that. Intended audience. Oh, that's huge because it might be for parents if you're trying to persuade, student teachers. You choose what the audience you think you want. Another thing that's really important if you go down here is that you will notice that you can also choose the reading level. If you have a very difficult time reading, you might want to choose, 5th to 8th grade reading level. If not, you can go higher. Or it's all, and then it'll go to even college level upon that, okay? Now, and on this thing, what's really great, and let's put in Abraham Lincoln again. You can also, if you speak a different language, if it's your English is your second language, you can decide to find these articles, and it will read it to you in Spanish. It will not only read it to you in Spanish, it will translate it into Spanish, okay? So that is a really cool thing. So if you open it up, let's say this is one I want. I'm going to open this up in PDF full text, which I totally encourage you doing it in PDF because it just looks nicer. Okay. And it has, oh, look at all these pages. Yikes. Well, we might want to choose a different one to translate. Let's go back. Excuse my coughing. Okay. Let's do this one. We're going to open this up, and then I'm going to show you how to translate it to a different language. And it might just be fun to look at it if you want to. Here's your choose a language. You can do English or Arabic, Bulgarian, Japanese, Chinese, all those things. You can go from English to Spanish. You can go from Spanish to English. You can translate it any way you want to. And after you've translated it, you can hit listen, and it will read it to you, and you can even choose what type of accent you want it to be read to. And then you go back to original language when you're done. So that is another feature that is really helpful if you have a hard time reading more advanced text, or if you just want to kind of have fun doing that. And again, all you gotta do is put add to the folder. You can print it, or you can even go over here and hit email and email it to yourself. You can save it onto a floppy disk, or not floppy disk, but your flash drive. And you can even right here, this is awesome, hit cite, and it automatically show you how to cite this paper. You probably are going to be using MLA, which is Modern Language Association. So it automatically puts it into MLA format for you. Only thing is right here, this second line should be indented 5 spaces. But when you go to college, this will totally help you because you'll have to do APA for some, Chicago Tribune for others. So this is a way to know how to do citing without having to read every manual possible. It'll save you tons of time. Okay, this is a quick rundown. Hopefully that gets you started. If you need something else, have your teacher text me and I will try to do my best. I am on a cruise and I am currently in the Caribbean. All right, so have a great time researching, and I'll have a great time laying by the pool reading a book. All right, talk to you when I get back. Bye-bye.